sorry.
I thought that would scare your hiccups away. Okay.
I mean, we'll take another stab at it.
Yeah, we have some other scary things.
Just stay right there.
Yeah, hold on a minute. Okay.
Where do you go to get the information?
They're the kids in the know with their own video, the famous and grimy how-to show.
What's up behind you? Bears!
They lied about the asbestos.
It's not like pesto at all!
It's evil!
Ah! You swim in the ocean, and sharks swim in the ocean.
There are giant squids that eat sharks. You are boring.
Blood diamonds. Oh man, is it hot in here?
Or is it just global warming?
Nice.
By the time we see a comet coming,
It'll be too late.
ring, ring, ring. Cell phone radiation. Amnesia.
We read your diary.
And we posted it online. Hey buddy, your rent money's due.
Again. Loneliness.
Bird flu.
Oh. Is that still a thing though? Tick-tock. It's your biological clock.
There's a trash vortex in the middle of the Pacific Ocean that's either twice the size of Hawaii or the entire continental US.
Either way, that's too big.
Tetanus.
Okay, still the hiccups? That's fine. We're gonna scare it out of you. Ready for this?
One day the sun is going to explode.
We stole your identity. It's due in an hour.
I'm Rumpelstiltskin. Give me your baby.
That was the deal.
Nightmares. Daymares. Horsemares.
Acid rain.
Teeth. I'ma cut you. Just kidding.
I'm not. So now they're putting scorpion cells into tomatoes to make them last longer.
Which means you're probably going to have babies made out of scorpions.
Yep. Avalanche!
Hey, guess what?
No one knows how many nuclear weapons there are.
There's a man in your walls.
I ate all your ice cream. Ah!
Somebody is following you around. We got your test results back.
Bog people.
What are bog people?
Oh my god. Bog people are terrifying. I went to a museum exhibit once and they had all these old dead bodies of people who had fallen into bogs and they were all wearing shoes and everything was preserved and it was weird and scary. Tiny old people who died in bogs.
What if you just fell off the earth?
Hepatitis A.
Hepatitis B.
Hepatitis C.
Hepatitis J.
Hepatitis K.
Hepatitis.
Hepatitis.
Hypocephalia. Derpatifa.
Robdisten. It's a serious issue.
Get checked.
Get checked out.
Fungus.
Toe fungus.
The abyss of space.
So they never caught that guy. Bleeding. We made a voodoo doll with your hair.
Pharmaceutical negligence. Okay, enough. Seriously, they didn't want us to tell you this, but the scariest thing is truth, and we had to tell you. Your life is not what you think it is.
No, everyone you know is actors, and everything they say is scripted.
Your life is a movie, and everything is planned.
You need to get out.
Get out.
Get away.
Go.
Go.